Pennsylvania judge rules Trump only had immunity in civil case. True control. Subtitle show hide. Subtitle trial date. A judge determined for Trump's 2020 election case. Hearing date for Donald Trump in federal case in Washington tried to overthrow results of 2020 elections. Claim. A Pennsylvania judge decided that Donald Trump had absolute immunity without prosecution. August 22. Facebook video. Former President Donald Trump's legal wars claim to end. A Pennsylvania judge decided that President Trump could not be fully sued or blamed by the preservation provided to him by the presidential immunity. The post was shared more than 700 on Facebook within 2 days. Our degree wrong. Legal experts say that the decision in question is only valid for the legal responsibility of a president as part of his official duties and does not provide or call without criminal prosecution. The decision does not say that it is valid for criminal prosecution. Trump faces half-dozen criminals and civil cases next year. Claire Finkelstein, a law professor. Pennsylvania is largely carried out by video in a legal case. Pennsylvania, but it misinterprets the real decision and represents real decision and represents it wrong. James Savage, an election worker in Philadelphia suburban, filed a lawsuit against Trump, Rudy Giuliani, others on the statements they claim to be. He decided statements were given as part of Trump's official duties, and at that time he found the president spoke about a public concern issue could not be sued. Finkelstein, who wrote about Trump's legal issues, said that the decision was applied especially for civil responsibility for special allegations from Trump's time in the office. Other legal procedures can examine the suitability of his statements' actions when he was the president and whether there is this behavior that serves as a real threat to our democracy, as claimers in these other cases. Real control. No. Canon. Donald did not leave as a judge in the case of classified documents. Craig Green, a law professor at the University of Temple, presented a similar analysis to Finkelstein. A footnote in the decision does not prevent exemption from responsibility on a civil issue, such as other possible sanctions. Does not prevent accusation and criminal offense. Not water. Green said that the decision of a state court in Pennsylvania would not be binding to other states or federal courts. In video, Turley refers to Nixon-Fitzgerald decision by Supreme Court. But Green said that decision discussed legal responsibility for firing of a government employee, not exemption from criminal offering. USA Today reached the social media user who shared Turley and his videos for comments but did not respond immediately. Real control. Resources.